Istanbul International Airport, officially known as Istanbul Airport, IST, is the largest and busiest airport in Turkey. It is located in the Arnavutköy district on the European side of Istanbul, approximately 40 kilometers northwest of the city center. Here are some key points about Istanbul International Airport. 1. Opening and importance. Istanbul Airport officially opened in October 2018, replacing the older Atatürk Airport as the main international gateway to Istanbul. The airport was constructed to meet the increasing demand for air travel in Istanbul, which serves as a major transit hub between Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. 2. Size and capacity. Istanbul Airport is one of the largest airports in the world in terms of passenger capacity and physical size. It covers an area of around 76.5 square kilometers, making it significantly larger than many other international airports. It has the capacity to handle more than 200 million passengers annually when fully completed, with multiple terminals and runways. 3. Facilities and terminals. The airport features a modern and spacious terminal complex with several passenger terminals. The main terminal, called the Istanbul Airport Terminal, is divided into different areas for domestic and international flights. Each terminal offers a wide range of amenities, including duty-free shops, restaurants, lounges, prayer rooms, car rental services, and hotels. 4. Airlines and destinations. Istanbul Airport serves as a hub for Turkish Airlines, the national carrier of Turkey, as well as several other airlines. It offers a vast network of domestic and international flights to destinations around the world. Passengers can connect to various cities in Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas through Istanbul Airport, making it a crucial hub for global air travel. 5. Connectivity and transportation. The airport has excellent connectivity and transportation options. It is well connected to the city center and other parts of Istanbul through various modes of transportation, including metro, buses, shuttles, and taxis. Additionally, Istanbul Airport has ample parking facilities for those traveling by car. 6. Technological advancements. Istanbul Airport is designed to be a technologically advanced and innovative airport. It incorporates smart technologies and digital systems to enhance the passenger experience, streamline operations, and improve efficiency. These include self-check-in kiosks, biometric authentication, and advanced baggage handling systems. 7. Sustainability. Istanbul Airport is committed to sustainability and environmental responsibility. It has implemented various initiatives to reduce energy consumption, optimize waste management, and promote eco-friendly practices.